Guys, I am here in Hamburg checking into Motel 1. Got my key card. Oh, this is a slider one. Oh, got my huge bag. I know to put the card in the light switch this time. Bathroom. I love the raised shower. Let's see. Bio hand products, and I think, yeah, body too. That could be like a shampoo body combo. Yep, hair and body. So yeah. And ooh, I love this storage space. Nice bed. The TV has a fish tank thing going on. A little work area, even though I'm going to show you guys. Oh, that is just a wall. Downstairs has a bar, of course. Just the lobby is like decked out. There's some kind of fly in here. Yep, an actual fly. I thought it was a ladybug. Get out. It's trying to get outside. Anyway, the lobby is decked out. It's a great place for working, for turn that light off, and for having a drink, obviously.